Hello, my name is Marybeth Goodnight, and I'm an IRB specialist in the Office of Research Integrity and Outreach. During this video, we will be discussing how to check the status of submissions. Before we discuss how to check the status of submissions, let's discuss what each status means. The in-draft status indicates that the submission is pending completion by the study team. These studies could have been drafted but not submitted to our office yet, or they could have been submitted to our office and returned to the study team for edits. The awaiting authorization status means that the submission is pending approval certification from at least one of the main researchers on the study, such as the PI, co-PI, or faculty sponsor. Awaiting certification and awaiting authorization mean the same thing in Cayuse. The pre-review status indicates that the submission is being reviewed by the IRB office and an IRB specialist in the process of reviewing the submission. The under review status shows that the submission is under review by the IRB. Once a submission has been submitted to the IRB office, it can be returned to the study team at any time during the review process for clarification or edits. You can check the status of the submission using the dashboard or the submission details page. The dashboard is the homepage for your Cayuse account. This is the page that you see when you log into Cayuse. The submission details page appears as the main page for each submission. This is an example of the dashboard. This example shows that there are 3 studies in the in-draft status, 2 studies in the awaiting authorization status, 0 studies in the pre-review status, and 1 study in the under review status. In order to get to the submission details page, you can select the study, click on submissions, and select the appropriate submissions, such as the initial application or modification requests. Now let's review a few examples regarding how to check the status using the submission details page. This example indicates that the submission is in the in-draft status and the submission is with the researchers. You can see the status of the submissions in the boxes at the top and in the banner above the request. This page shows that the submission is awaiting authorization or certification from one of the main researchers on the study. Remember that awaiting authorization and awaiting certification mean the same thing in Cayuse. This example indicates that the submission is in the pre-review status and is being reviewed by an IRB specialist. This last example shows that the submission is in the under review status and the submission is with the reviewers. It's important to note that the study details page indicates the overall status of the study and does not indicate the status for individual submissions. This page may indicate that the study is approved, but the modification request may be in the in-draft status. For this example, the study details page shows that the overall study is approved, but there is a pending modification. When you click on that modification, it takes you to the submission details page where it shows you that the modification is in the in-draft status. Thank you for joining us today to discuss how to check the status of submissions.